This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about disposable pastry bags, specifically these Pastry Tech Easy Grip pastry bags. They're made from a wonderful clear plastic, which is fantastic when working with frostings and other things so that you can see what's going on inside. There are 3 lengths available: the 12 1/4, 18-inch, and 21-inch, giving you lots of nice options for tackling different size jobs, whether they be small or large. They feature an embossed surface for superior grip, especially when working with frostings, and they're perfect for use with various sizes of tips and couplers. You just need to cut the end to fit your needs, and then decide whether you're using a coupler or not, or you're just putting the tip straight down in the bag. They're a perfect disposable option for eco-minded bake shops. These bags are made of recyclable plastic, which is fantastic. You can use them to do things like pipe on cookies, pipe pastry shells and meringues, or even to do a variety of different decorating projects. They're perfect for busy bake shops, cake decorators, whether you're a professional or just at home looking to make some fantastic pastries.